appreciate it, man.
And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 2 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great weekend, safe weekend. Let's make it a great week, folks. We get a short week, 4 days, and market open this week. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Don't make assumptions. Disconcern the truth. The problem with making assumptions is that we believe they are the truth. We make an assumption, we misunderstand, we take it personally, and then we react. We react by sending emotional poison with our word. And what does that do? That creates a whole big drama for nothing. Get rid of the drama in your life, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 140, NASDAQ off 29, S&P's off 14, gold contract up $10.90, trading at $1,496 an ounce. Silver up 88 cents at $43.46 an ounce. Platinum down $9.50 at $1,782 an ounce. Copper off 4 pennies at $4.21 a pound. Light sweet crude down $2.31 at $107.35 a barrel. We have bonds up 10 ticks, trading out at $121.04. Dollar index up 69 ticks at 75.20 at 75.72. You have the euro down 19 at 142, and the yen was down 45 at 82.68. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? You come down to a price point today in the cash S&P, folks, of $12.94. Now, your swing point there is 1302.42. That swing point low was established last Thursday. We hit that low with $894 million. You went by that low today with $1 billion. You closed inside it. Longer term, that's an ABC structure down. Can it pop up into about the 1313? Yeah, it can do that. But you broke the swing point. You broke it with volume. That's saying that the S&Ps want to get down to this 1280 to 1249 low that was established on March 16th. We go over to the Dow Industrials. You take a look at the Dow. What the Dow did is this. That little baby also broke the swing. That swing point we're talking about is 12,163. You got down to the 12,093, closed inside it. Yeah, you can pop, but bottom line, you have that low that has volume now down there. That March 16th number is the benchmark out there, folks. That benchmark is 11,856 at the highs. The composite, NASDAQ composite. We take a look at the composite. Now, what you have with the composite, this is pretty wild with the composite, and this is what it is. The composite went to a price point today of 27.06. Nice acceleration back. I mean, the composite is at 27.35. That 27.35, folks, still don't get it, though, because it's 27.37.07 to get back inside the range. So what the composite also did is this. The composite broke the swing low of the 14th with slightly higher volume. We did 1.797. That swing point there is 1.70. We broke the swing point of the 12th. That swing point there, though, is 1.8. So it's going to need more volume down here. Bottom line is that the composite has not been able to get back in the range. Now, if we go look at the SPY, if we just go into the ETF structure, what you have with the ETF structure is this. The swing point out there we were dealing with was 130.27, 161 million shares. You took that out with 204 million shares. Now you closed inside it again. This is the S&P. That's the halfway move down. That SPY wants to get into that 128 to 125 level. We go to the 3 Qs. We look at the 3 Qs, and what you have inside the 3 Qs. She came into a price point of 55.32. That 55.32 was going into 60 million. We did 63 million. She rejected the lower price at this particular point. She did break the swing, though. You get some sort of a smaller bounce here. I suspect you can get about another 15 pennies, 20 pennies on it, and that's about it. The small caps. We take a look at the small caps. What the small caps did out here, we'll use the IWM. Small caps got down to 81.43. You did 53 million shares. You're going into 58 million shares. She looks like she's going to do some kind of a little bounce. She's building cause to get into lower prices. Gold contract. We go over to gold. We take a look at gold. What we had with gold out here today, gold goes to a price point. She had a price spread out here today of 14.77 at the low, 14.98 at the high, and right now we are at highs. We're at 14.97. Silver, same setup in silver. The silver got up into the 43.56. Right now that's at 43.48. Dollar index. Now this is what the shocker is out here, folks. Well, for some people it's the shocker. Dollar index today, what did it do? It comes off these lows with conviction. Conviction, wide price spread, accelerated volume. You did 38,000 contracts. You closed this session out at 75.73. The 75.73, folks, is back inside the range from the 22nd. And, of course, what is so wild about this is you talk about the little deviance. When the market was basically getting taken apart this morning, the market was down because what you did have, you had Europe was down pretty good before our markets opened. You had the S&Ps down about 9 points, and then what you had is you had the Standard & Poor's come across the tape, and as they were coming across the tape, they turned around and said that they were basically cutting the credit outlook to negative for the United States government. Now, they didn't downgrade it. That's not a downgrade, folks. Okay, it's still AAA, but they cut the outlook. When they did that, the market basically blew apart. Now, the deviant part about that, of course, is that the market blew apart. The dollar went up. My longer take is that the dollar, bottom line, has bottomed out here. So we'll see what kind of acceleration that the dollar can get and what kind of follow through that dollar can get. 877-927-6648. When we take a look at, we're going to have a lot of numbers coming out tomorrow. After the close here, we're going to have Texas Instruments tonight. Zion's, Bancroft. Texas Instruments is coming across at about 4:30. Tomorrow we'll get some big numbers out here. Tomorrow you got Northern Trust, Harley-Davidson, Forest Labs, State Street, Peabody Energy, U.S. Bancroft, CSX, Goldman Sachs, Intel, IBM. So there's going to be a lot of action out there. Let's get to Paul in Denver, Colorado. Hey, Paul, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. You having a good day out there?
Yeah, I'm having a real good day.
Perfect, man.
Yeah. Hey, Tom, I had a quick question about the QID.
Let's take a look at it. We get the QID. The QID, folks, is the pro-share 200% inverse correlation of the NASDAQ 100. The low is 37. The high is 104. Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Well, I bought a call spread, a May call spread on the QID, and kind of worked against me here towards the tail end of the day.
Okay.
And just wanted to get your thoughts and opinions on that. Should I jump out of that, or should I kind of hang tight?
No, you can hang tight. But let me ask you something. On the call spread, right? Was there liquidity inside that?
Yeah, it was very liquid.
That's so cool,
right
man.
away.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, no, okay, cool. Okay, so, folks, when he has a call spread, okay, what he's doing here, this is a May, right? Yeah, of course it's a May. Okay.
Right.
So what he has here is this. The high today was $54.79, and you have volume there. It didn't hold price. That just says you're going to be right back up to those levels, the $54.79. Now, what spread did you buy?
I purchased a 53 call and sold a 59 call.
Oh, that's quite a spread.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Wow, you really went 53 to 59, $6. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I see what he did. Okay, cool. So what he's doing, folks, is this, is that March 16th, the high out there was the 58.47. You're going to be fine. You just need that basically to stay over that 53 area, and I don't think that's going to be hard to do, man, even though you're at 10 cents at it right now.
Right.
Yeah. I think you got action, man.
Okay.
When you break topside, and you take a swing point out and you do it with volume, and price doesn't hold, what happens is this, is that short-term bearish, that yes, it can come back down, longer-term bullish.
Okay.
And when I say short-term bearish, that'll be 2 or 3 days. Longer-term, 4 or 5 days in this case. You know what I'm saying? So.
Gotcha. Hey, thanks for your input on that. That's very helpful.
Okay, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. And folks, in my new book, The Art of Timing the Trade, Your Ultimate Trading Mastery System, you can get that right now on Amazon at $27.95. I'm going to be coming across the country, doing workshops. I'm going to be in Denver May 17th, Boulder May 18th. That right there, what we just talked about, there's a testing chapter. I put a whole new testing chapter, and you'll see it's pretty extensive. It's real extensive. And all the different scenarios I have right in there. Let's go to Mike in St. Paul, Minneapolis. Hey, Mike, what's going on?
How you doing, Tom?
I'm doing great. You having a good day out there?
Yeah, it's almost 50 degrees.
That's a beautiful thing for you, right?
Yeah, hey, I got a question on CEF, the Central Fund.
Okay, let's take a look. You get CEF. This fund invests 90% of their holdings in gold or silver bullion. 85% must be in the actual physical form. So that means they can only have 5% paper. The low's 14, the high's 23. Okay.
I was looking to add to it, but I was wondering what you thought.
If you're going to add to this thing, let this first. What you have is this. You have now this fund here, folks. The premium percentage is not bad. You're only paying 1% premium, so that's that's a good premium, meaning that's a short end premium. What I would do is this. You definitely have a bright top side here, and the volume is great compared to the swing point of the 24th. However, it's not in the context of the 30th of March. So I would wait until that test the $23.34 and see how that test come in. And if you have volume accelerate at all from how you took out these highs, meaning if you come back at 3 million shares, don't get near that thing.
On the way down.
That's right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. 877-927-6648. And folks, don't forget, we brought up Tiger TV on Friday. What Tiger TV is, no matter where you are, you just go to TFNN right at the very front. No signing in, no anything. You just hit that button. You can get this right on all your devices, meaning you're going to get the audio. You also get the video. We had Bank of America down 40 cents today. GE was off 6. We had JP Morgan Chase down 93. Wells Fargo was off 37. Alcoa down 39. Silver Wheaton was down 102. Apple was up 439. Apple had quite a price spread out here today. Price spread on Apple went from 320.16 to 331.85. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming back with Texas Instruments. They're going to be coming out with their numbers in 11 minutes.